This is lecture 22. In this lecture, we will learn a very important Excel formula called count blank. In real Excel work, we often receive incomplete data. Some marks are missing, some fields are left empty, or some entries are made or not updated. In such case, we need a quick way to check how many blanks are present in the dataset. That is where count blank helps us. This formula count only the empty cell in selected range and it ignores cells that contains numbers or text. Now look at the worksheet on your screen. On the left side we have a small student table where student name are written in column B and their total marks are in column C. You can see that some students have marks entered like 150, 256, 188, 182, 151 and 202. But some rows in between are blank, which means those students' marks are not filled yet. So our goal is simple. We want Excel to count how many empty cells are there in the total marks column. Now let's apply the count blank formula step by step. On the right side we have a small heading count blank and below that we have an empty result cell where we want the answer. In this sheet the result cell is in E4. So we click on cell E4 and type the formula is equal to count blank bracket open C4 colon C11 and now press enter. As soon as we press enter, Excel will check the range C4 to C11 and count only the result cell that are in blank. It will not count the cell which have marks like 150 or 256. It will only count the rows where marks are missing. So in this lecture we learn how to use the count blank formula to find missing entries in Excel. We apply the formula in cell E4, select the marks range C4 to C11 and Excel gives us the blank count instantly. This formula is very useful in real office reporting, school results and data cleaning work because it helps us quickly identify incomplete or pending data.